am Bernadette L. Harris. I am the CEO and forensic accountant at the BTB Advisory Firm. And today I want to talk about a topic that may be a little touchy. And before I get started, I'm going to ask you, please, please, please don't come for me in the comments. Because this is a topic that is probably going to ruffle a little feathers, but the goal is to help. The goal is just to help people and give them the direction to do things the right way. So today I want to talk to business owners who are also Christians. Please stop paying your tithes from your business account. Again, do not come for me in the comments. I am not coming against your faith. I'm not coming against your beliefs. I am not telling you not to tithe. I'm not telling you not to give to your church or your religious organization. All I'm saying to you is stop paying your tithes from your business account. Now, let's talk about this for a second. Most people will say, well, I get to deduct my tithes on my taxes, and so I can pay it from my business account. That's part of that statement is true. When you make a charitable contribution to your church, your religious organization, a nonprofit organization, these charitable contributions are a tax deduction. However, they are a personal tax deduction. They are not business tax deductions. So let's back up for a second. There are personal deductions, and then there are business deductions, just like there are personal tax returns that we file and business tax returns that we file. So when you make a charitable contribution, whether again it's to your religious organization or another nonprofit organization, those contributions are deductible on a form called Schedule A. This is an itemized deduction. So if you have enough itemized deductions, these deductions actually do reduce your tax liability on your personal tax return. The key here is that your contributions to your church or to any other organization is a personal deduction. It is not a business deduction. So if you want to tithe from your business income, that is fine. If you say you make $10,000 a month and you want to give 10% of that to your church, you can do that. However, it is not a deduction for your business, and the payment should not come from your business account. Why is that? When you have a business account and you run personal expenses through your business account, this is called commingling. Commingling is when you mix business and personal. Commingling is dangerous for multiple reasons. Why is it dangerous? Number one, it's dangerous because this is the perfect way to pierce the corporate veil. So let's talk about that. What does that mean? When you pierce the corporate veil, you are basically saying that the liability protection that you got when you set up your LLC or your business, your INC or whatever, you got some liability protection. That protection said that whatever the business owns is the business, what you personally own is yours personally, and the two shall never meet. However, when you commingle funds, you basically tear down the veil. That's what piercing the veil means. That veil was the separation, the thing that separated your personal assets from your business assets. You tear that down, and now your personal assets are now at risk. So let me just give you a scenario. And I'm not an attorney, so this is not legal advice. I'm just giving you a scenario based on what I know and what I've seen. Let's say you have an LLC, you have a business, you've been operating your business for 5 years. In that 5-year period of time, you've also been paying your tithes from your business account. Now you have a situation where you have a disgruntled client. You've tried very hard to resolve issues with this client. This client is not listening to reason, and the client sues you. The client is suing you, and they're suing you personally and your business, where you're saying, oh, well, I haven't done anything to this person personally, so they can only sue my business. Well, if they are able to prove that you are not operating your business as a separate entity, now your personal assets are now at risk, and your personal assets are exposed to this potential lawsuit. And so that's just one of the ways that commingling can hurt you. Now, there are other ways where commingling hurts you because it takes away the integrity of your files. What do I mean by that? The integrity of your books, let's say that. So if I am your accountant and my firm is doing your bookkeeping, when we're going through your firm, your stuff, your bank statements on a monthly basis, and we see payments to your church, we see payments to your mortgage company, we see payments to where you use the debit card to go buy hair supplies or shoes and all these things, we don't trust any of your transactions at that point. Now we are questioning everything that's on there. So when we see a restaurant, we're going to ask, is this a business meal or did you just charge it on your card? You just went to lunch because you were hungry. It questions the integrity of your file, because now it's almost like if you're in a relationship with someone and they cheat on you, now every time they don't answer their phone or if they're not where they say they're going to be, you automatically think that they're cheating again. It's the same thing. When you commingle funds, you are putting the integrity of your bookkeeping, your record keeping at risk. And this can also cause you an issue if you're ever audited by the IRS, because if they look at your bank statements and see that you're paying personal stuff from your business account, well, now they can actually open up the audit to audit your personal stuff or look at your personal statements and things like that. So the thing that I want you to take away from this video is just keep them separate. If you want to pay your tithes, give to organizations, give to the building fund or to the scholarship fund or whatever it is, do those things. I think that's wonderful. Just do it from your personal account. I hope this video was helpful. I hope y'all don't come for me in the comments. I'm not trying to be famous like that. I just really want to help people be better business owners.